The reason why when they see this lady peace is that if I feel put Buhari peace when they talk to her, this lady, she not rich. Young lady, you know what? Sometimes, if you want it trendy for social media, may you try to start with something that is useful. I will talk about you small, then I can't go to the next one. If you want it trendy, may you not start with like you want to draw the attention of the governor. If you not say you want the trend, you won't get connection with the governor of Lagos State. Maybe they not. Maybe someone will not know you. Maybe Babajide someone will not know you. If you won't be the second ambassador to coronavirus for Lagos, may you let me know now. I go announce your name because like this time, Sanwo-Olu is the ambassador to coronavirus. So if you won't be assistant ambassador, let me know. I will help you. Just send me your piece. I will promote you. Than you to come open your mouth. They talk this kind of talk. He pay me say, as you say you be COVID-19 nurse, one of the they work for isolation center. He pay me say, me and you, we dey single. Because I check your page, I don't see husband there. I don't see husband. You pay me say me and you, we dey single. You understand? So if you know say you want draw connection, if you want become one of the top class girl in Abuja, you want me to recognize your name for Lagos, from there you enter Abuja. Babe, madam, tell me now. I go help you promote them. Or you go meet Bobrisky. Or you meet Lida Ikeja. Those ones they don't become top, they don't get blogs for a long time. They go help you fast. Or if you talk speech, you understand? Make speech. Then go to my page, collect my WhatsApp number. That number I did my WhatsApp number. Send that to me. Then I go help you put that for my page now. Then people call they know you small. You understand? Then say you come, they can't talk this kind of word. If they carry them, if they catch them, those who violate the law of COVID-19, of coronavirus, make a Sanwo-Olu, make the new punishment. Make it be say then go come the installation center, may they help them, may they help them, they push dead body. You are a fool. That's picture you make so. Babe, now you go continue to push dead body for that place where you did. You go continue to the push dead body for that place where you did. No Lagos chance. No Lagos chance. Go come follow you, push dead body, enter inside mortuary. Now you go continue to push the dead body, enter inside mortuary. I reject everything go make any person say not get anything connection to hospital. Anything go make connection. Anything go make anybody say not get anything that concerns mortuary. For you to make such a speech, for anybody individual, where government will come arrest the person will come walk inside morgue. Because they can't push dead body, enter inside morgue. I reject them back to you. Now you go to push dead body, they enter inside that place. Since if you say you don't see any punishment for them, you can't use this kind of word for this new year 2021. Say make someone look consider that. I consider that for you and your generation. Now your lineage. Now you go enter inside hospital because they can't push dead body, they enter inside mortuary in this 2021. You go continue to push that dead body, you push. Are you okay? You forget your brain for the hospital? Babe? You forget your brain? I mean, madam, whoever you call yourself. What is her name? Bella. Or whatever that she mentioned her useless, rotten name. Then some of them come they even they comment for her. Because now some people sometimes people now just rubbish. every law you dey wey be say you dey consider for the Oga Sanwo-Olu say make people come dey follow you dey push dead body for this 2021. I stand and I use this word for you, babe, madam. You go continue to dey push dead body. If you need assistance when you go help you dey push dead body enter inside mortuary, inside morgue, your siblings and your friends, na dem go come meet you, follow you dey push dead body in this 2021 inside mortuary. What a rubbish talk. What a stupid consideration to Sanwo-Olu, to Babajide Sanwo-Olu. What a stupid suggestion. Nonsense. You will continue to be pushing dead bodies to the morgues in that hospital that you are. I reject it for Nigerians. I reject it for Lagos, for Lagosians. I reject it. They will never wake up in 2021 to see themselves pushing dead bodies in the hospital, or because they break protocols of COVID-19. Which COVID-19 are you referring? Why you not refer to the palliatives when we say they stock last year? Why don't you refer to it? Why don't you refer to the politicians that they are doing house parties? Why don't you refer to the useless politicians that they know that there is COVID-19 in Nigeria, yet they are calling for national ID card enrollment that attract crowd? Why don't you refer to them? Why don't you refer to them? You just come out you want to be trend. You come talk this rubbish here with your lousy mouth and your rotten mouth. If you know that there is COVID-19, why don't you confirm? Why you not make video? Me will see those they don't get them. What a stupid non-entity. Educated, brainless like you. Empty brain. You come here because you see social media. You think you can just come and open your lousy mouth and rant nonsense from your mouth. With your just imagine. Don't you know this is a painful thing that you just said? You dey consider. May that consideration land in your family. May this consideration may it land in your family background. What nonsense! Because you will happen to be one of the political nurse, those who record fever, headache, stroke, diabetes, heart failure, liver failure, accident crimes, accident deaths, those who keep counting them as COVID-19 disease deaths. That is why you have the audacity and the authority to come and say this nonsense that you are considering as a punishment. May that punishment reign in your family. This is Jew empires. If you want to locate me, my number is there. You are a stupid woman. You are such a stupid damsel for saying this, for vomiting this rubbish out of your smelly mouth. May this prayer that you prayed from your heart, that you want them to bring them to the isolation center, so you're coming to push dead bodies. How many of your family members have you pushed as a dead bodies that died from the coronavirus? How many? Rubbish. Stupid woman. Lack of brain. With your water brain. Empty skull. You got a certificate, but you got no brain. Okay? That's what you got. You got a certificate to be a useless, whether you are just an attached nurse. Because maybe you have connected with one of the politicians and you happen to work in that isolation center. That is why you open your lousy anus mouth. Your anus mouth to be talking rubbish. Nonsense. I laid that on your family. They will come and join to be pushing cops in that isolation center. Rubbish. Nonsense. Idiots.